we have a HP ZBook. It has come for RAM and hard drive upgrade. This has a 512 NVMe. We'll add a 2 TB hard drive into it and increase the RAM from 16 to 32 GB. And if required, we'll do the cleaning from inside. Let's open it. The screws are out. You have to just remove it from this side. You can pry it from this edge and it will straight away come out. It's that easy. Here we will have install a 2.5 SSD, a normal hard drive. Sorry, we'll add a 16 GB module here. It has a 16 GB already into it. This is a NVMe 512. We'll add the hard drive here. We'll do some cleaning of the fan. Since we have opened it, let's clean it from inside. You just have to clean the fins. And blow air on it to remove all the dust from this. The sponge has worn out. The sponge which is here, this is worn out. We'll just remove some. There is some dust inside. We'll remove that and cover this with a silver tape. There's lots of dust into it. I will cover this with a silver tape, so the hot air will directly go outside, it won't come inside from this gap. This we have a silver tape. This is also called as aluminum foil tape. Now the air won't leak out from here, the hot air will directly go outside. So now we'll again pack the laptop. Now install all the screws. Fitted all the screws and we switched it on. Let's see if we can find if the memory is detected. So you can see it here, it's showing 32 GB, and in device manager we can see the hard drives. It's showing both the hard drives now. It is a Samsung SSD plus a Seagate hard drive which we just installed. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe the channel.